So hello everyone, so this is the first video out of two that I'll be making showing how to make vertical lines from the building to actually show vertically on perspective views or perspective renders. So this is super easy and simple. The first step is to change the lens to 20 because that's the closest to how the human eye actually sees. Then for camera, you have to change the Z location as well as the target C location. They have to be equal. So for that, you just click on this, type 6 for like 6 feet, assuming that whoever's inside of this building is about 6 feet. And you also change the target to 6. You could do 5 or 511. I usually just do 6 because that's the easiest. And that's it. As you can see, these lines now show up vertically, and then you can just render it or take a screenshot. But yeah, that's it for today.